Templates are a great way to quickly start a project in Canva. So to do this, go to the left-hand side and pick templates, and then you can scroll through their entire list of available templates for you to use. If you hover over the image, it will actually give you a preview of what that graphic looks like. So once you picked out your template, you can drop it into the canvas and then either edit text. You can also change background colors. You can drop in specific pictures that you would like to utilize. Basically, the options are endless with templates.